Listen closely. Men over 50, this 3-minute morning routine is what doctors won't tell you. Why? Because it's simple, free, and it works. After 50, weaker erections aren't about desire. It's about blood flow slowing down, testosterone dipping, and your circulation not firing like it used to. But here's the truth. This one 3-minute ritual, backed by urologist, can restore stronger blood flow, boost your energy, and give you back that firmness and confidence, without pills or side effects. And stay with me, because at the end I'll share a bonus move you can do before you even get out of bed that makes the effect twice as strong. Let's dive in. First, sit or stand tall. Rest your hands lightly on your belly so you can feel it rise. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, expand your belly, then your chest. Hold for 2 seconds, then exhale fully through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this 5 times. A 2018 study in the Journal of Clinical Hypertension found that just 5 minutes of slow breathing increased nitric oxide by 30%, instantly improving circulation. Beyond erections, deep breathing also lowers blood pressure, reduces stress hormones, sharpens focus, improves sleep, strengthens lung capacity, boosts heart health, enhances digestion, balances hormones, fights fatigue, and even lifts your mood. David, 62, told me, within a week of starting the breathing, I noticed I was calmer, sleeping better, and in the mornings I felt more alive down there. To get the best result, focus on slow, controlled breaths. Don't rush. Most men feel calmer and notice morning energy within 7 days, and stronger, fuller erections within 3 to 4 weeks. Before we move on, show your support by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss tips like this, and it shows us we're reaching men who take their health seriously. And if oxygen alone makes this much difference, just wait until the next move it pumps blood exactly where you need it most. Now stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slightly bend your knees for balance. Now gently tighten your pelvic floor, the same muscles you'd squeeze if you were trying to stop urine midstream. Hold that squeeze while lightly marching in place for 30 seconds. Keep the movement smooth, not jerky. Research from 2020 in the International Urology Journal showed that men over 50 who did pelvic floor activation improved erectile function scores by 35% in 3 months. It also strengthens bladder control, prevents leakage, supports prostate health, improves core stability, relieves lower back pain, boosts hip flexibility, enhances sexual stamina, increases circulation in the legs, prevents varicose veins, and even improves posture. Michael, 58, admitted, "I used to laugh at the idea of pelvic exercises. But after 2 weeks of this, not only was I standing taller, I was lasting longer in the bedroom." For best results, tighten the muscles firmly, but don't hold your breath. Most men notice firmer control within 10 days and a significant improvement in bedroom stamina within 3 to 6 weeks. And the final stretch multiplies this effect by opening your arteries like never before. Finally, plant your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your hips facing forward. Place your hands on your waist or stretch them out to the side. Now slowly twist your torso to the left, hold for 1 second, then twist to the right. Repeat 10 times each way, keeping your movement smooth and controlled. A 2016 study in the American Journal of Physiology revealed that dynamics stretching increased arterial flexibility by 20%, which is key for strong erections. On top of that, this twist relieves joint stiffness, reduces belly fat by activating core muscles, improves digestion, enhances spinal health, increases energy, prevents injury, boosts mobility, improves balance, fights inflammation, and slows aging by protecting your arteries. Frank, 67, shared, "The twist was a game changer. I thought I was too stiff, but after a few days my back loosened up. And let's just say things started working like they used to." To maximize results, keep your core tight, breathe naturally, and don't over-twist. Most men feel looser and more energized in 3 days and notice stronger, longer-lasting erections in about 4 to 5 weeks. 3 minutes and your entire body is primed for energy, strength, and blood flow. But here's the surprising part. The real magic happens when you understand why this routine works better than pills or supplements. Now you might be wondering, why does something this simple work so well? Here's the science made easy. First, every step of this routine boosts nitric oxide, the gas your blood vessels release to relax and expand. Think of it as WD-40 for your arteries. It lets blood flow freely, especially to the areas that matter most. Without nitric oxide, no pill on earth could work. Second, these moves increase arterial flexibility. A stiff artery is like a clogged garden hose. It can't push enough blood through. Studies show that stretching and controlled breathing can make arteries up to 20% more flexible in weeks, which is the foundation of long-lasting erections. And third, this routine supports your body's natural testosterone response. By reducing stress hormones and increasing circulation to the testes, it gives your body the signal to produce and use testosterone more effectively. No injections, no side effects, just your body doing what it was designed to do. Henry, 65, told me I was on the verge of giving up. But after sticking to this routine for a month, not only did my performance come back, my confidence did too. My wife said it was like getting the younger me back. Here's the timeline most men can expect. Within 7 days, you'll notice better energy, a calmer mood, and improved morning vitality. Within 3 weeks, there's a noticeable difference in stamina and control. And by 5 to 6 weeks, erections become stronger, longer lasting, and feel natural, not forced. And here's the best part. Unlike pills, this isn't a quick fix that fades. It's like building a permanent foundation of energy and strength, your very own natural Viagra, but without the headaches, dizziness, or side effects. But listen closely. If you stop here, you'll only get part of the benefit. Because the way you stack this routine with one simple daily addition makes results come even faster. And that's what we'll reveal next. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with a bonus tip that makes this entire routine even more powerful. Right after you finish your 3 minutes, drink a glass of warm water with a squeeze of fresh lemon. It's such a simple habit, but it jumpstarts your digestion, flushes toxins, hydrates your cells, and pushes circulation even further. Many men report that within days, they feel lighter, more energized, and more alert in the mornings. And here's something else. If you're not ready to head straight out of bed, try a 30-second in-bed stretch before you stand up. Just raising your arms overhead, pulling in your knees, or giving your spine a gentle twist signals to your body. Wake up, blood flow is needed. It's like priming the pump before the real work begins. Now imagine what's happening when you combine it all together. 3 minutes of focused breathing, pelvic activation, and stretching, plus this one easy add-on, and you've created a routine that restores circulation, rebuilds confidence, and supports stronger, lasting erections without relying on pills, prescriptions, or side effects. It's natural, it's quick, and it's something you can commit to for life. If this helped you today, hit that like button. It shows me you value this kind of content and want more health solutions that actually work. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you try this 3-minute routine tomorrow morning?